Okay guys, it's the next day. It's actually, if you're watching this today on February 19th, it is February 19th right now, and I am finishing the video and uploading it today for you guys. But yeah guys, this is the new color for the wheels. Really stoked about it, super happy with how they came out. So the cinematic shots you watch in the beginning, I was supposed to film this whole crazy video with like my camera setup and everything, but I had an issue. So when I got the wheels finished, I put them on the car, and yesterday morning I drove the car. Well, something bad happened. I switched up the faces of the wheels. So I accidentally put the rear faces on the front wheels and the front faces on the rear wheels. So the offset was completely off. Now come over here. So what ended up happening was I drove the car out of the garage. I heard this gnarly sound, and the face of the wheel was chewing up my caliper because the face was on the wrong barrel. Now I was like, oh my gosh, this is not good. I mean, I have to rebuild the wheels. Anyways, yeah. Yesterday was supposed to be like this whole day dedicated to revealing the wheels, but last minute I had to rebuild the wheels and swap the faces. Now I gotta give a shout out to my dad because I actually, I was super busy yesterday with other things, and I simply was not able to like get most of that done. So I dismounted the tires, got them all ready, and my dad was able to quickly swap the faces without breaking the seal. So that was good. We were afraid that we were gonna have to reseal them, and that's just a whole process of its own. So he was actually able to swap the faces in like 2 hours. We were able to mount tires, balance them, get them on the car, and it was like almost nighttime by the time I finished it, and I was gonna film the reveal video for you guys. So I ended up finding a parking lot real quick to film it, and I forgot my SD card, so the whole video was shot on my iPhone. So anyways, yeah, enough for that. But yeah guys, let's talk about the finish I put on these wheels. So as you can tell, I went with a gray color. Now before, the faces were silver and the lip of the wheel was chrome. So what we ended up doing is the chrome lip was peeling and corroded, so we sandblasted the chrome off and we powder coated it this aluminum color, and I think it came out really nice. I really like this. It's not like too flashy, it's more of a subtle look. And what we did was the faces of the wheel is I wanted to go as a darker color, but not something too dark because you know, a black face kind of hides the design of the wheel. So I went with like this interesting gray color. It's not like your gunmetal gray or like metallic gray. It's like this flat gray, and it looks so good. And I don't think camera's gonna do this color justice, but it really contrasts with the forged carbon that I have in the car. Like, they just go so well side by side. I'm so sorry for the delay of how long these took. I was supposed to have these done in like 5 days after uploading my video of taking the wheels apart. Well, the powder coating shop ended up taking a little longer than expected. So it was like a 2-week process of the car sitting on jack stands and waiting for the wheels to be ready. So yeah, this is a whole process of its own, and I'm just super happy to have the wheels all put back together and on the car. Yeah, today's kind of a crazy day. Today's actually BMW Invasion. My brother is actually the one holding the camera right now. Him and I are driving an hour from Palm Coast to Orlando to attend BMW Invasion. So I'm wearing my Automotive Therapy Just Go Drive shirt. And I wanted to give a quick shout out on these shirts because, as you guys know, I only made hoodies. But since summer is around the corner, we made the brand into a t-shirt, and these shirts are super soft. The print quality is amazing. There's no blurriness in the print or anything. And yeah, I think you guys should definitely check it out. Link down below. And I have the M4 in every color, not just the Marina Blue. So link in bio, guys. Get yourself a t-shirt and represent the Automotive Therapy brand. Yeah, so the last 2 weeks was just like the craziest 2 weeks of my life preparing this car to, you know, I literally drove from Colorado to Florida, immediately put the car in jack stands, took the wheels apart, and the last 2 weeks has just been me being as patient as possible, waiting for the wheels to be ready. But I think they came out great. The car looks completely different. I'm super stoked on it. Now it's time to enjoy the car, drive it, get videos and pictures of it. But like I said, we are going to BMW Invasion today, so I'm gonna be filming that whole process. Stay tuned for that. It's gonna be literally one of the biggest BMW events in the world, so super happy to showcase the car there and reveal the wheel color and just have my car from Colorado all the way in Orlando, Florida. That's pretty crazy. So anyways, guys, I don't have that much time on my hands, so I'm gonna wrap this video up right here. This is the new color. We're gonna get tons of videos and cinematic shots in future videos. But yeah, hope you guys like them and everything. I'm pretty stoked about them. Remember, get your t-shirts down below. These things are, they're fire. I get so many compliments when I wear this. People are like, dang, like, really like that design. That's very unique. So just saying, guys, a lot of people do like the shirts. So I appreciate all of you guys who have purchased one and helped support me. It means a lot. We are gonna head out though, BMW Invasion. We're like an hour away still, so thank you so much for watching. I appreciate each and every one of you guys. All right, peace out, guys. Actually, real quick before we go, if this doesn't show dedication to YouTube, I'm literally editing this video on my way to BMW Invasion and uploading it in the car while my brother drives so that we can like get everything done ASAP. So yeah, YouTube is a grind, it's a hustle, but it's all worth it. All right, guys, now, peace out.